For Ubuntu and Debian-based distributions, enter the following command to install. For Manjaro and Arch Linux, use this command to update your system and install Neovim. For Fedora, use the following command. To use Neovim after installation is complete, just launch it from the application menu and typing the name Neovim. For example, to edit fstab file, enter the following command. Now the fstab file will open as shown in the video. If you cannot exit the editor, press Shift-ZZ. On that note, you need to learn Vim or Neovim and go through the documentation to efficiently make use of all its features.